Recommended tools. We recommend getting a squeegee or credit card, a clean cloth, rubbing alcohol, and masking tape. Step 1. Clean the surface with rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth. Step 2. Remove material from around the graphic and registration tab. Step 3. Using masking tape, slightly cover the top of the graphic and the bottom of the registration tab. Step 4. Fold back about 1 inch of the backing paper from the top. Step 5. Carefully align the registration tab to the top of the center tab of the light cover. Step 6. Pull more or all of the backing paper off and begin using a squeegee or credit card to apply graphic. Step 7. Remove tape and squeegee out any bubbles using firm pressure.